Everybody loves to hear that they've performed a job well done, and we're no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us.
Got it done super quick, did an amazing job, very efficient, and had an amazing experience throughout. The crew was very polite and professional. I highly recommend this company.
Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and knowledge and superior customer service can help you. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.